Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we are going to talk about a massive Ford Super Duty recall. Before we get started though, if you're new to the channel, please look down there in the corner or down just above the description and hit the subscribe button. It helps the small channel out. And then at the end of the video, a thumbs up is awesome, and notification bell so you know I'm posting new content. Subscribing is free, so don't sweat that, but it does help me as I build this channel up so we can get as much information to you guys as quick as we can. Now, as always, when it comes to recall news that I put out, I will put the NHTSA website recall down there below in the description. You can click that. It is safe. You'll need your VIN, and you can go in there and check any and all of your cars. And for the most part, almost all recalls are going to be free, even if you're the third owner, and especially if it's a safety recall. So let's get to the most recalled brand in America, Ford Motor Company. So Ford is issuing a recall for 300,000 Super Duty and medium duty trucks due to complications, can you believe this or not, stemming from COVID-19. Now, it's not quite what you think when they blame it on that, but we'll explain that. So the impacted trucks were shipped with the Power Stroke, the 6.7 engine, and with a high pressure fuel pump that is sensitive to buildup deposits found in biodiesels that have sat too long during when COVID happened. And that eventually will lead to that pump failure. Now, the recall does apply to the 2020 to 2022 F Ford Super Duty and the medium truck duty lineup. So F250, F350, 450, 550, and 600. Those are going to be the medium trucks, those top ones right there, only equipped with the 6.7 Power Stroke. And basically what they say is they think it's just a real simple issue, but you'll typically get poor running, long starting times, and poor power delivery and a check engine light once the pump starts to fail. As we cruise through here, they basically said that during this time they found an uptick in warranty work on the high pressure fuel pumps. Now, again, here's the thing. Bosch CP4 pump, and take it for what it's worth. I think with proper maintenance, good fuel, and adding maybe something to help with lubricity in that fuel, like a fuel additive, will definitely help that CP4 last. But a big blame to that is going to be the ultra low sulfur diesel. So it's just one of those things where, you know, they're saying that COVID's to blame for this. I think we all know the real reason. But again, what will happen is they're still basically analyzing how warranty work is coming in and everything like that. They said they're going to update some programming, do some replacements and everything like that, which will help reduce the buildup of aged biodiesel. Now, I don't know too many people that run biodiesel anymore. However, some just standard fuel stops have a small percentage of biodiesel in there to kind of stretch that out. So you can basically keep that in mind. So to me, it's just one of those things where the CP4 has been plagued with problems for a long time. That's why GM switched all their stuff over. I think it's to Denso, but it's still going to be like a variant of that. And at the end of the day, just proper maintenance. I mean, I would not want to blame biodiesel or COVID-19 because fuel sat around or anything like that. It really comes down to proper maintenance and everything. So at the end of the day, guys, if you own one of those affected trucks, you can go down to the link below and check your recall status. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys being here, and we'll catch you on the next one.